Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and gold is trading around 3125. Trust me, guys. Okay, when we were discussing about a breakout above 3058 yesterday, I was not expecting this. I was not at all expecting this. Or day for yesterday or before that, when market took support around 2950 area. Okay, we discussed the possibility of market going up from here because it was a correction. Okay, I was not expecting this at all because I do not have any open buy position. Okay, I exited from all my buys. Okay, and one more thing is that, okay, I do not like to keep my positions open at night, but this type of situation, okay, is special, rare. And okay, in the morning when I saw that gold was trading around 312526, okay, I literally had a big regret. But regret is part of this journey. Okay, so let's see where are the next opportunities on gold right now. Gold extend gains. Gold just had its best day since 2023. Gold climbs on safe haven demand as Trump hikes China tariffs. Gold prices rose on Thursday as investors turned to its safe haven asset after US President Donald Trump escalated tariffs on China. If you follow geopolitics, then you must be knowing that things are very unstable between US and China right now. So the tariffs has reached the sky and nobody knows, okay, what will happen next. So things are not very good right now. And as we all know, whenever there is a global crisis, gold always goes up. And we can see that gold is flying right now. So gold is bullish again. So if you have any buy on gold right now, hold your buy position, because if gold remains like this, then this is not a market for day traders or scalpers. This is a market where you buy at retracement and you just sit on it, because if you take entry and exit, you will be missing a big chunk of the profit. If you want the big piece of the cake, then you need to sit on the position. Do not trade like Avilash, otherwise you will miss the big piece of the cake. Okay. So where are the trading opportunities then now? So in this situation, following the ongoing trend of the market, it will be better and safer for us to follow the same old strategy, means buy at retracement or buy at dip. Okay, so in this chart, okay, you can see I have drawn many lines. So let's try to understand one by one. Okay, so right now we can see that gold is showing signs of little retracement. Okay, so if gold comes down, we have the best support around 3093 area. We have the best support around 3093. See, these levels work as zones. It can be 3094, it can be also 3092. So when market will enter 3095 area, you need to be alert. Whenever you will see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can enter. Okay, so around 3093 area, we have the best support because we have the previous resistance working as support here. Previous resistance working as support here. And do you think we have FIBO here? Yes, we do have FIBO, our beloved FIBO. We also have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Okay, and you can see we have the second support on the chart of gold around 30703068. This is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if market shows deeper retracement. This is a FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, and just below it you can see we also have some good support. Chances of market coming down to 3050 is less, but still after CPI, if market drops, then we can also expect good support around 3050 to 3045 as well. But under normal circumstances, okay, chances of market coming to 305045 is less. So 30939495, that particular zone is a good one before CPI. And if market comes for deeper retracement, then we can look for support at 3070. After CPI, market may come for support retracement, then we can look for support around 3050, 3045 area. So these are the three support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. So let's focus on the immediate support right now, which is around 3090. But we need to also keep our eyes around 3100 because of the round number. It's a psychological support. And yes, my dear friend, today is CPI. Today we have CPI coming up. So at the time of news, please be careful because for the last couple of months, we have seen that NFP, CPI, all the big newses are just trapping traders. Beginners, new traders, please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. The volatility in the market is very lucrative. I can understand. We feel that okay, we can make a lot of money, we can double triple our account, but in reality maximum traders lose money because highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. So please be careful. Okay, if you see the market taking a trend after the news, then you can follow it. But if you see the market is just showing spikes, then just avoid the market. Plain and simple. Market will give you plenty of opportunities when there is no news, so you don't need to gamble at the time of news. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can look for a buy and breakout, means we can look for a buy above 3138. But before a breakout, okay, just see that there is a consolidation. And right now it looks like that we may see some consolidation in the market. After consolidation, after retracement, if market breaks 3138, then we can consider it as a reliable one. Because for any breakout, consolidation plays a very crucial role. So, my dear friends, if market comes for retracement, then we can look for support around 309293 area, 94, or we can look for support on 307068 or 3045 area. These are the three levels where we can look for a support. 3100, okay, 3100 is another level where we can look for a bounce because of psychological support. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn a dotted line here. Okay, the level is around 3110. Okay, this is a high risk buy. You can look for a buy if you see market taking a bounce. This is a FIBO 0.236, not a good reliable level. Okay, but still, okay, keep your eyes on this level as well. Okay, so 3110, okay, is a high risk buy opportunity. So again, I'm repeating, in the situation, buying at support is a safer trading strategy to follow. And if market doesn't come for proper retracement, we can look for buy at breakout. But we have seen that the market sentiment is bullish right now, so try to follow the market sentiment. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting from tomorrow. The Hindi workshop is over. The English is starting from tomorrow onwards. It's my last workshop because after this I won't be teaching. Maybe something for the beginners after 2-3 months. But for the struggling traders, this is the last workshop. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money, have watched hundreds of videos but still not in profit. So if you're one of them, you are most welcome to join the workshop. It's a 7 days workshop. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. And these are the dates here. You can see English classes starting from tomorrow onwards. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. I have stretched this for a month, more than a month, because trading takes time. If we learn everything at once, we forget. So that we can learn and execute at the same time. Okay, I have stretched this for more than a month. And these are the topics that we will be dealing in the first 3 days. No fancy topics about indicators, patterns and all. We will just learn the market as it is with proper risk management and discipline. Okay, and you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, checklist, lot size calculator and many other things. And you will also be a member of the Pro Trader Group, our WhatsApp community, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market and how to learn and earn at the same time. And this is how our WhatsApp community looks like. This is the group I formed for April workshop. Today we have CPI coming up, so you can see I posted something on CPI, and these are the posts on Nasdaq, GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, etc. So that you can understand, okay, what is going on in the market. Okay, you get a complete fundamental and technical overview. The reason is that you need to learn about the market. You need to learn about the market sentiment so that you can proceed in the journey and also become a better trader. So my dear friends, many people also join the WhatsApp community. Okay, they go for lifetime support because they like my work. Anyways, and these are topics for the weekly sessions here. And all the sessions are conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend also because of time difference, nothing to worry, I record everything. You'll get a recording after the session. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians for the workshop and 1 month support. But if you're looking for personal guidance, mentorship, and longer relationship, then obviously you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual support, you will be getting 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions. And in lifetime support, you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me, okay, to clear doubts, ask questions, because trading takes time. It takes a couple of months, sometimes years. And obviously, you will be a part of the WhatsApp group for lifetime, okay. And these are the payment methods. So once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.